Trying to edit a video, but you keep getting random error messages? There's no quicker way to mess up your flow than having to spend an hour looking through Reddit posts for a solution. Here's the top 3 error messages that I run into in Premiere and how you can fix them. Warp stabilizer speed error. This guy pops up when you add warp stabilizer onto a speed adjusted clip. The solution? Right click on the clip and go down to where it says nest. This moves the clip into its own sequence, and you can apply stabilization to that. Next up is the unlinked footage error. If you're greeted by a big red screen yelling at you in 10 different languages, that means your footage is unlinked. To fix this, select all the clips that are missing, right click and hit link footage. Then use the pop-up menu to find its new location. And lastly is the dreaded Premiere crash. If this keeps happening to you, it's because Premiere is having a hard time keeping up with your project. I'm running out of time, so to figure out how I like to tackle this, go ahead and check out the full video on my YouTube channel. Good luck finding your flow.